What's up, y'all? Welcome to El Gato Azul TV. It's your boy Chris, aka El Gato Azul. Tonight, I'm going to show y'all how to do a quick rod handle repair. Got this brand new Mad Catz rod today. I got two of them. Both of them came broken. One of them was busted handle. The other one had a busted tip. Tip was busted pretty far down, so it's pretty much worthless, but this thing is repairable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this metal threaded 1/2-inch rod. I used to do this a lot when I was a bass fisherman 20 years ago, and I would use a dowel rod, but anybody that trophy catfish know that a dowel rod made out of wood is not going to hold up in a rod holder to a 50, 60, 70 pound blue cat. So I'm going to use this threaded metal today, and it's going to hold up well. What we're going to do is we're going to use some epoxy. This is Gorilla epoxy, and it's the quick set stuff. I'm going to get it started, get the air out of this thing, and be careful, this stuff's messy. And get this stuff started. And you can mix it with a popsicle stick or whatever. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard. Get that mixed up real good. You got about 5 minutes before this stuff sets up, so mix it, and have you a towel pretty close by because it's pretty messy stuff. Put it on this dowel rod. Get a decent amount on there. You don't have to go overboard, but you want it to adhere good. All right. Next, I'm gonna put it in this rod handle. I'll add just a little bit around the edge. Doesn't take much. Should have plenty on there already. Insert that bad boy in there. It's gonna need more than that. Mix that up. That bad boy epoxied up. Don't drip it. My wife will kill me if I drip it on this floor or this table. All right, part one. Mix up a little second batch. You could do it all at once, but I do a half at a time in case you make a mistake. Got a little extra to fix your mistakes. We'll put enough so it kind of bleeds down into the rod. feed that bad boy into there. Make sure it's matched up. Matched up pretty good. Boom. Good as new. Now they're going to send me two brand new rods, but this one will work just fine now. So, cool little trick in case you bust somehow, some freak accident, you snap the end of your rod handle. You got a surefire quick repair and remedy job. The Gato Azul style. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow us. Help us grow this thing. And we'll see y'all on the water soon. Gato Azul out.
Standing by the water, just staring at the stream. Tell me, honey, are there any catfish in your dreams?